Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be, as promised from the previous video, a little updated skincare routine and just reviewing some of e.l.f. Cosmetics' new skincare products. So I will be using this Hello Hydration Face Cream from e.l.f. Cosmetics, which is one of their newer products. I've been really excited to try it out, so you will see that in today's video, as well as this mini multi-mask kit from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'll be trying some of their masks out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we are going to do this review for the mini multi-mask kit from e.l.f. Cosmetics that has all of these face masks in here. If you watched Monday's video, I did an e.l.f. Cosmetics makeup haul, and these are one of the new items that I picked up. I do already have the Pore Clearing Glitter Peel Off Mask in a larger bottle, which I've used before. I've used the Gentle Peeling Exfoliant because I think it comes in e.l.f. Cosmetics skincare regimen, like the main one that you can buy. The rest of them I have not tried, so I'm really excited to try these for you guys, and so that is why we are doing this review. So as you can see, I am fresh-faced, no makeup, and that is how we are going to start today's video. So let me open this up. Oh, and once I've reviewed all of these face masks, I'm also going to be reviewing this Hello Hydration face cream from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's new, and that was also in Monday's video. This, I used it this morning after I took a shower, and I posted it on my Instagram, katelinrambeauty. This is legit, guys. Like, this is probably my new favorite cream from e.l.f. Cosmetics because I have like their daily moisturizer and their night cream and all the other stuff, but this right here I think is my new favorite. It really is like so hydrating for your skin. Your skin feels so soft, so smooth, and especially in like these cold winter days where your skin is probably really dry like mine gets, this is so good. Like, seriously, my new favorite product from them. It's amazing. So if you have not already, you definitely want to pick this up, and I will be using this at the end of the video when all of my masks are done. So I think what I'm going to do is start off with the Pore Clearing Glitter Peel Off Mask. It comes in this little charcoal gray container. On the back of the bag, which is nice, has everything, like all the directions for everything, because the back of the bottles don't have anything on them since they're mini, but this bag has, I don't know if you can see it, but the bag has everything listed in the back. So the Pore Clearing Glitter Peel Off Mask. Apply a generous, even layer to skin, avoiding the eyebrows, hairline, and sensitive areas. Leave on for 30 minutes or until fully dry. Peel off to remove and rinse away any excess with warm water, and use it just once a week. So I have used this before, as I said, and it's a really good mask, but I made the mistake of not reading the directions properly, and I had put it all like not on top of my eyebrows, but near this hair back here and on my sides, and like it was so painful to pull off. So today all I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting it in my T-zone. So my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and the sides of my nose onto my cheeks. And that's it. I'm not going to put it anywhere else. And maybe a little bit on my chin, but I'm not going to put it anywhere else because I'm afraid it might hurt. So it says either wait 30 minutes or until it dries, and I think it dried pretty fast because it's already starting to peel around the edges. So this took me about 12-13 minutes, honestly, for the amount that I put on. Maybe if you make it thicker, it would take longer to dry and you could wait, but mine is already starting to peel, so I was like, oh, might as well just take it off then and not leave it on my face for too long. As soon as I put it on, it felt really cool and nice on my skin and everything, and it started hardening pretty fast. And obviously, like, the glitter is really cool to look at. That a mask has glitter in it, so that was the big bonus. But it got like tight on my skin, so let's peel it off. I feel like the sound it's making would be, if you can hear it, I feel like the sound it's making would be good for like the ASMR videos, which I think are kind of weird. I don't know. I haven't gotten into them, but the sound that it's making reminds me of something that might be on one of those videos. There we go. All right, my skin feels super smooth where I used it. Even my nose, like, it just looks cleaner and looks clearer. Feels like it pulled stuff out of my pores, which is really nice, and that's exactly the purpose of the mask. I would give it like an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because it's a cool concept. Love the glitter in here. It's really fun. I love to peel stuff. That's like my thing. As far as like making my skin feel smoother and stuff, great. Only downside is it kind of hurts a little bit to pull it off. So that would be the only thing. But I'm also a big sissy, so if you don't have like, if you have a high pain tolerance, you should be fine. So I think next, just to get like the excess seal off mask off my face, I will do this gentle peeling exfoliant mask. And like I said, it does come in e.l.f. Cosmetics skincare regimen, so I've already used this. So basically it says, dampen the hands and skin and apply a small amount of exfoliator onto the face. Gently massage in circular motions and rinse with water. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Okay, so I got my hands wet, I got my face wet, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this onto my hands. So as you're rubbing it in, the actual face mask starts to like crumble a little bit on your skin and it starts to peel, but not your actual skin. It just, you can feel the pieces from the face mask drying out, and it's peeling as I'm rubbing. This one is still not my favorite face mask. It's nice, but I give this one like a 5 out of 10. It's just not my favorite. I don't really feel like it's doing anything. So I don't know, I guess the pore cleaning glitter mask or the gentle peeling exfoliant left my skin feeling a little bit dry after washing it off and drying it. So I'm gonna try this hydrating gel mask. It says to use on clean, dry skin, apply an even layer all over the face and neck, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Okay, first impression is it does feel very hydrating. It feels like such a soothing cream. It almost feels like I'm putting lotion on my face. You know, it's blending in my skin really well, making me feel like my skin is really getting hydrated, and it just looks so like glossy and fresh and awake and beautiful. I like it so far, so we'll leave it on for 10 minutes, and then I think it says to wash it off. Just washed off the hydrating gel mask. I think this one might be my favorite so far. As soon as I put it on, like I said, it was just so smoothing like face cream, and it was just beyond. Like, it's really good. Once I washed it off, my skin feels just so soft, and like now I don't feel like I need lotion after this. It was like so hydrating for my skin. So I highly recommend this one, 10 out of 10. Love this one. I think I'll do the Marsh-Mellow mask next. So this one is called the Marsh-Mellow Soothing Mask. I haven't opened it or smelled it or anything, but I really hope it smells like marshmallows. So it says, use on clean, dry skin, apply an even layer and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water to remove, up to 3 times per week. Okay, so the mask is on. It definitely has like a sweet smell. I don't know if I describe this as marshmallow. Maybe they call it marshmallow because of the way it looks on your face and like the way it goes on. Maybe that's it. It smells good. It doesn't smell bad at all. It smells really good. So I'll wait 10 minutes and get back to you. Okay, back. I just washed off the Marsh-Mellow Soothing Mask, and this is another favorite. I gotta give it a 10 out of 10. My skin feels so soft after using it. I was a little bummed it didn't exactly smell like marshmallow, but it did smell really sweet and it smelled really good. It just dried on my face right away, similar to like a clay mask kind of. Didn't make my face tight or anything though. I really like how it made my skin feel super soft. Even when I was washing it off, I was like, wow, my skin feels like amazing. It could be the combo of doing all of these right now, but I do like this a lot. I like the way that it felt when I put it on. Also made my skin feel hydrated and just rejuvenated. I would also give this one a 10 out of 10. So far, the Hydrating Gel Mask and the Marsh-Mellow Soothing Mask are my favorite. Last but not least, I'm going to try the Mattifying Mask. I thought since it must go matte on your face, like a clay mask, that I would do this one last because it'll harden on my face and be a process to wash off. So I was like, let that be the last one. The Mattifying Clay Mask, apply an even layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye and lip area, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse well with warm water, and use up to 3 times per week. Okay, so I currently have on the Mattifying Mask, and I waited the 10 minutes. It's dry on my face now, so I'm gonna go rinse it off. It smells amazing, like it smells so good. So this actually I think might be another favorite. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. And I know it's gonna make my skin feel amazing, but just the smell, like I love smelling it right now on my face. It smells so good. So let me go wash it off and I'll be right back. So all the face masks are done. I tried all 5 of them. So just to recap, the Pore Clearing Glitter Gel Peel Off Mask I really liked, but it was a little painful putting it on and all of that, so I would give it like an 8 out of 10. The Gentle Peeling Exfoliant, I don't really feel like it does anything. I felt like that before and I still feel that way. I don't really think this one's worth it. 5 out of 10. The Hydrating Gel Mask was my favorite, I think. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's super hydrating for your skin. Definitely want to pick that one up. The Marsh-Mellow Soothing Mask is also another favorite. It also felt hydrating for the skin, made my skin feel super soft and smelled really good. Also the Mattifying Mask, another 10 out of 10. These are really good masks, I think, just to use a few times a week. So the last 3, Hydrating Gel Mask, Marsh-Mellow Soothing Mask, and the Mattifying Mask were my favorites. 3 out of 5 ain't bad, and you know, if you guys pick this up, mini multi-mask kit from e.l.f. Cosmetics is $12, so you get to try all 5 in a compact size, and they're good for travel and stuff too, so I can definitely take these on the go with me if I need to. They're gonna be super easy to carry around. I totally think the $12 is worth it to try all 5 out. You may feel differently about the pore clearing mask than I did, and the gentle peeling exfoliant, so definitely give it a try. I highly recommend these. To finish up my skincare, I am going to use the star of the party, which is this e.l.f. Hello Hydration Face Cream, which I talked about near the beginning of the video. I did use this for the first time this morning, and it has become one of my favorites for sure. Like I said, I use e.l.f. skincare regimen just in general every day. I use their face wash and everything in the shower. I'm fully in the e.l.f. skincare regimen. Like, I love it, and I highly recommend that as well. So adding this on top of my other skincare products, it's amazing, and I think you guys will love it too. So I'm just gonna use that really quick. After giving my skin so much love with all the face masks, it needs a little hydration, so I'm gonna use some cream. And gosh, it just feels amazing even applying it. You can just feel your skin soaking this up. It makes your skin feel so soft, smooth. It feels like your skin is like breathing. It's so awesome. All right guys, there you have it. Definitely go pick this up. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Even if you're not into face masks and stuff, you will really like this, I promise you. So definitely go pick this up. All right guys, my review is done of these awesome products. I really hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget, I will be uploading every Monday and Wednesday at 3 p.m. So be sure to stay tuned. Turn on your post notifications so you guys know when I upload. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!